Today we're going to look at how we can use a bar diagram to model a situation about ratios so that we can help to solve it. So the story is, when Jeremy gets his allowance, he agrees to save part of it. His savings and expenses are in a ratio of 7-5. If his daily allowance is $3, find how much he saves each day. All right, so we're going to use this bar diagram. We're first going to label what each bar represents. Complete the bar diagram by writing savings, expenses, and $3. So because we know that we're in a ratio of 7-5, the bar with the 7 pieces is our savings, and the bar with the 5 pieces is our expenses. And together, both of these pieces, savings and expenses, are at a value of $3. So both of them together are $3. Now our ultimate goal is to find out how much he saves each day. So we're trying to find the value of this section, this bar. Now 7 parts are in savings, 5 parts are in expenses. Do we know how much is in each part right now? No, we don't. We aren't given that information. But if we can find out how much is in each little part, and we know that we have 7 of those parts for savings, then we'll be able to find out our amount. Now in math, we don't use question marks to represent things that we don't know, amounts we don't know, right? We use variables. So we're going to use the variable x to represent the amount in each of these little parts that we don't know yet. All right, so now we're going to take our model and translate it into math. Step 2. Step 2. Let x represent each part of a bar. Write and solve an equation to find the amount of money each bar represents. So remember, our savings is 7 parts, so 7 times the little amount we don't know. And our expenses are 5 of those little amounts we don't know. And our savings plus our expenses combined together equal our total allowance, the $3. Well, if I have 7 x's and 5 more of those amounts that I don't know, what have I got? 12x. So we combine the savings and the expenses and we get 12x, and it has to equal 3. So now we go back and we remind ourselves, how do we solve an equation, a one-step equation? We need to undo what's happening to x. Right now x is being multiplied by 12. So we're going to undo that by dividing both sides of the equation by 12. 12x divided by 12 is 1x. And 3 divided by 12, or if we just simplify 3/12, we get 1/4, and 1/4 is 0.25. And since we're talking about money, 0.25 is 25 cents. All right, so let's finish this up. Our goal was to determine the amount of money that Jeremy saves each day. And we've determined that 1x equals 1/4 or 25.25, which in this case is 1/4 of a dollar or 25 cents. So each of these x's is worth 25 cents. All right? And there are 7 of those in savings. So 7 times 0.25, or 7 times 25 cents, is $1.75. So Jeremy saves $1.75 each day.